What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You know who it is. It's D Bless the Barber here at DTB Barber Studio. I did get a little bit of a PR package from the guys over, as if you didn't know, from the actual thumbnail from American Crew. We're going to take a look and see what they sent and just check it out and see what it is, and it should be pretty interesting. I didn't even open it up yet until the video, but we got a nice little box here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's pretty dope. I like that. It's got a little folded thing, a little card in it. And here we have the shaving skincare lather shave cream. So, comes like this. It's a little shaving kit. I think this looks pretty dope. Came with a nice little shaving bowl. We got the lather cream right here. And we got a nice little shaving brush, man. Like, I don't really use stuff like this, but we're gonna check it out. I'm gonna put some clips in the video so you guys can check it out and see, you know, how it works. I gotta figure out how it works, but once I figure out how it works, you know, we're gonna check it out and see if it's something that it's worth getting. And then I'll probably hop back on once these clips play for you guys, and then we'll see what you think, and I'll give you my feedback and how I feel about it, and yeah. So let's get to it. As you saw in the video clips, we used the American Crew lather. Man, that stuff's actually pretty good. It lathers up pretty easy. I love the brush. The brush is really good quality. Nice bore bristle brushes. The bowl is like premium too, so definitely something I may add as my services. I'm not sure though. Like, I'm gonna try it on a couple more people, see how they feel about it, and make sure that there really isn't any skin irritation. My client did say that he said he felt no irritation. He felt smooth, even though it laid on his face for a good bit of time. So yeah, American Crew, shout out to you. I appreciate you guys for adding me to your PR list. I just wanted to post this video and let you guys know what I thought of the product. And I'll be looking forward to receiving more products in the future. I mean, hey, if you know y'all need an ambassador, let me know. I'm definitely down to do that as well. But if you haven't already, man, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video and help me out with the algorithm. I just hit 500 subscribers, and it's definitely a good thing. I am super appreciative of those that have followed me and have liked my videos. But more to come in the future, more reviews, more business oriented stuff. I feel like tutorials to me don't really do as well, especially in the industry. We need more. So we need more of the business side. So people, if you listen to this, give us the business. Let us know what's going on in the business and teach us how to do photography, videography, stuff like that too. So this way barbers can really advance and really grow themselves and really promote themselves too. And I'll share a little bit about my tips and secrets and whatnot as well on the channel. But thank you again for watching D Bless the Barber here at DTB Barber Studio. Have a good night.